Okay, so first you're going to want to Google your images. So we need a rounded square. You can either get a solid rounded square like this one, or you can get a hollow rounded square. So for this video, I'm going to do both just so that you can see how to use the splicing feature with the solid box. With the hollow box, you will not need to use the splicing feature. So we're going to do both, or I'm going to show you both rather. So right here, all I'm doing is right clicking and saving the images to my computer so that I can find them later. Now we need to go on to the images. We need a head, money, peace sign, and the arrow. So now I'm searching for a head silhouette SVG, right clicking and saving them to my computer. You want to use the term SVG after your search term so that it will bring you up an image that's easy to clean up. And by clean up, I mean it's easy to remove the background. So again, right clicking, saving the image to my laptop, and then going to search for the next image. Now I'm looking for the next arrow. So find one you like, right click it, save it to your computer. And then I think the next one is the bag of money. And here I saw that I messed up when I went back and looked that the girl in the group used the loaf of bread. So, you know, this is me putting my twist on it. I don't really say get the bread, I say get the bag. So I changed the bread to a bag, but you can use the bread if you want to. The same thing you would do is, Google loaf of bread SVG. Then find the one you like, right click it, save it to your computer. It's the same process. So now we're going to upload all the images to Cricut. You're clicking in the white areas to remove them so that all we are left with is the black image itself. Then save it as a cut file because you're not printing unless you are. So next we're going to upload the arrow. We're going to click simple. Then we're going to click in the white areas to remove them. So all we're left with is the black outline of the image. If you choose to leave the white areas, then you will have one big box of nothing. So you always need to remove the white areas. Now, I just wanted to show you this. Sometimes you'll get an image and it has a bunch of little boxes like this. It would take forever to remove all of those boxes. So this is not a good image to use. It would be hard to clean that up. So instead of sitting there doing that, I'm just going to go back to Google and search for a new peace sign SVG and get one that's easier to clean up. I feel like I'm talking too fast. If I am, I apologize. I've never done this before, so I hope this is helpful. So saving the image to my laptop so that I can upload it to Cricut. Simple. Click in the white areas to remove them. Look at that. Everything's gone. We're just left with the hand. So you never want to get a difficult image. Now we need to upload, what's next? Oh. Okay, we still got one more. Now we're uploading the head. Okay, now that all of them are uploaded to Cricut, just organizing here. Okay, so now we are going to start putting our image together. What I did was I duplicated the top two boxes so that the bottom two are identical to the top two, so everything's even. So you can select them and copy and paste, or you can just select and click duplicate. Now we're going to slice. So then you move it on top of that image, select both. You're going to bring it to the front, align it by clicking align and center. Now you're going to go down and click slice. Then you need to remove the 2 excess images. So there's the second one. Then move it back. And now you're going to repeat this process for the rest of your images. So now we got our peace sign. This is when I was trying to remember what order the slogan went, because I don't even, this is my first time hearing about that slogan. So anywho, so like I said, drag the image that you want to slice over the box, center them, and then go to the bottom right corner, click slice, remove the extra 2 images. Uh-oh, I removed the wrong one. Click undo if you mess up. Okay, slide it back. Drag your image that you want to slice over the box. Arrange it, bring it to the front so you can see it. Select them both. Click center, slice, remove the extra 2 images. 1, 2. Okay, do the same thing for the last one. Drag it on top of your box. Center, select the box and the image. Then click align and center. Then slice in the bottom right corner. You can also right click to slice or use your short commands on your keyboard. Alright, now I'm going to align them, and this is where I was literally taking all day to make sure they're even. But instead of taking all day like I did, you can just select 2 at a time and align them. You can do center vertically, I believe, and then group, and then center the bottom to the same thing, vertically, group, and then select all 4 and click center horizontally. Then they should be perfectly centered. So you don't have to do all this that I was doing. So I'll probably fast forward through this part if I know how to. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this centered. So this part is, okay, so that's finished. Yay, now we have those. Now with this box, you will not need to slice. All you will have to do is move the images into each box and size it accordingly. So again, here we are trying to get them evenly spaced out. And then you just move each image and drop it in. Sometimes your image might go behind the boxes, so you just arrange and bring it to the front, size it, center it, do whatever you need to do to get it how you want it to look. And you just repeat this process for all 4 of the images. See, I remembered the order on this one. Money, head, peace, leave. So this one is much easier to do. You don't need to use the splice feature at all. But if you just want to learn how to do slice, then you can use the solid boxes. And I've seen this graphic 2x2 like this, and I've also seen it put into a straight line. So here you are. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, this is my first time doing something like this, so I don't even know if this was annoying or helpful. So hopefully you learned something. It was easy to understand. If it wasn't, let me know. And happy crafting. Bye.